You are running a business. You are the CEO, the marketer, the customer service rep, the copywriter, and the accountant, sometimes all before noon. What if you could hand half of that off right now to an assistant that never sleeps, never asks for a raise, and produces work in seconds that would take you hours? That is not a dream. That is ChatGPT. And in the next 5 minutes, I am going to show you exactly how small businesses are using it to save time and win more customers and look like a company 10 times their size. Stay until the end because I am going to walk you through 5 features that will change how you work starting today. Real quick, if you are brand new to this, ChatGPT is an AI assistant made by OpenAI. You type a question, it responds with human quality text. But here is what most people miss. ChatGPT is not just a fancy Google search. It does not just find information. It creates, refines, and acts on your instructions. Think of it less like a search engine and more like a senior employee who has read every book, every business guide, every marketing playbook. There are 2 main plans: free grade for getting started and ChatGPT Plus or Team. This is where it gets serious for businesses. Let's get into the features. Feature number 1, and this one alone is worth the price of admission: instant content creation. Marketing is the lifeblood of any business. Watch this. Write a punchy Instagram caption for my bakery. Tone should be warm and playful. Boom! 2 variations, each with a slightly different angle. Pick one, tweak it in 10 seconds, post it. Done. But we can go deeper. Need a full email campaign? A blog post for SEO? A Google ad script? A product description for your website? It handles it all. Watch it write a product description for a handmade soy candle. Highlight the natural ingredients and create urgency. That would have taken most people 45 minutes to write well. ChatGPT did it in 8 seconds. Treat it like briefing a real copywriter. Feature number 2, customer communication faster, smarter, and more professional than ever. We all know the pain of an angry email. A customer says their order arrived damaged. ChatGPT writes a professional, empathetic reply that apologizes and offers a replacement in seconds. Read that response. That is better than what most trained customer service reps write. It is calm, empathetic, and solution-focused. You can also use it to build an entire frequently asked questions document. Feed it your common questions and watch it generate clear, friendly answers for your website. Feature 3 is where ChatGPT becomes less of a writing tool and more of a business partner, your strategic advisor 24 hours a day. Help me build a go-to-market plan for a premium seasonal refresh package. How to announce it, how to handle objections, it builds the whole plan. That is a complete launch strategy in under 30 seconds. This is like having a business consultant in your pocket without the $300 an hour bill. Feature 4. This one saves you from one of the most painful time sinks: reading and understanding complex documents. Contracts, leases, terms. Paste a supplier contract clause. ChatGPT explains it in plain English, flags any risks, and suggests questions you should ask before signing. You can also compare competitor pricing or summarize long market research PDFs. You still want a lawyer for the big stuff, but this is a game changer. Feature 5. This is the one that scales your business without scaling your headcount. Onboarding docs, SOPs, and training guides. Watch it write a 5-step onboarding checklist for a fitness studio, orientation, system training, greeting standards, a professional document in minutes. Need a social media policy for employees? Written in 20 seconds. Professional, but not corporate. You just saved 2 hours of drafting. Alright, before you go, 3 pro tips that separate power users from everyone else. Tip 1. Use custom instructions. Set your context once. Tip 2. Give it a roll. You are an expert marketing consultant. And tip 3, iterate. Don't accept the first draft. Push back, refine, improve. ChatGPT is not replacing your business. It is supercharging it. Every hour you save on admin is an hour you spend on growth. What is the first task you are going to hand off? Drop it in the comments. I will see you in the next one.